This is the journey to one Africa.
I wanted to ask them. Can I ask them a question? Can I interview them?
Yeah.
It's okay?
No, ask it. No.
I would like to interview you. Come on, come on. Let's talk. Hey, how are you? What's your name? Efrata?
Yeah.
How do you feel being here?
I feel good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
What one message you have to all children in Africa?
If you come here, you'll learn the history of Ethiopia and how Italian were about to steal our country, but we got them.
Wow, she knows a lot about this. Come on, give me a high five. Hey, I like it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right.
The middle of Ethiopia, it is 0.00 reference points. So the compassed image located in the center of Adwa Victory Memorial Service at the Beckman of locations with Addis Ababa and across all Ethiopia.
Wow, it's so good. Right here, guys. Right here. I had to let the Ethiopian explain that. I want the entire view of this building together with my friend right here. Yeah, you can come this at the center. Your friend? She don't want to be here. Hey guys, look at this, man. I was here 1 year ago, almost 1 year ago. You see this building? Now it's completed. This is actually International Hall. This is in Africa, in Addis Ababa, in Ethiopia. All right. It's personal right now. What do you have to say about this?
I'm so happy that there's finally something that is good to see for everyone here. And I hadn't seen this place since I was little, so I'm so happy to see it done like this. At least get a dream come true.
Oh.
Ethiopians, this is a lot.
Yeah, this is a large dream comes true, and that's exactly how I feel when I'm stepping my feet on this ground. What is this?
This is coffee, Ethiopia's traditional drink. That is a popcorn. They eat it on when they're drinking the coffee.
Wow. You never tried coffee before, right? It's not legal for kids.
It's legal.
It's legal?
Yeah.
You can drink coffee?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
But you never tried?
I tried.
You tried? How was it?
It was a little sour.
Really? You know, I don't understand why Ethiopians drink coffee with sugar.
I don't know, but they drink it with sugar to make a little
bit sweet. But you know, when you put sugar, you change the taste of the coffee. It's no longer coffee, it's like sweet something.
So you want to drink coffee
without sugar? Exactly. That's how I drink my coffee. Coffee without sugar. It's better.
It's bitter because
it's bitter.
Yeah.
But that's coffee.
Yeah.
Huh? This is my fight with Ethiopians all the time because they drink coffee with sugar. No sugar. No sugar in the coffee. No sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna drink here without sugar. That's how it's supposed to be. All right. Masagnalo. Look at that. Look at that. Just take a look at that. Wow. Masagnalo. Okay, guys, I gotta enjoy this. I know you wish to be here with me, enjoy this coffee, but no, I know. Top generals. Do you know their names? These generals. Do You know the names?
That's little Ras.
You're reading, eh? You're reading, eh?
Fikarari Gamega.
Uh-huh.
And that's Nugus Takla Haimano. Well, that one right there is Nugus Mikhail. The Judgment Welchop. Right over there is Ras Welly.
Yes.
Fikarari Habt Georgis. Ras Allah. Ras Manesha Yohani. That is Magshum Nugu. Ras Abata Balio. Ras Pitaludu Mendesha. And those are 12 military commanders.
One more time?
They are 12 military commanders.
Oh, Ethiopia! Where are we right now?
We're at Mama's kitchen.
And what are these?
These are plants. They grow on their own.
Okay.
And this is where we eat Ethiopian cultural food.
And
there's a buffet right there.
Yeah. Thank you. Why don't you take this meat? Is it this one? Raw meat. I tried this before. So delicious. What is this? Are you eating? Huh? Kitfu.